You probably clicked this video to find a quick way to make money using AI. But here's the truth. That world doesn't exist. No robot army will get rich for you while you sit on the couch. But here's the good news. There is a real way. Just not the one you've been sold. Asterisk AI didn't change the rules of business. It just made execution faster. You still need traffic. You still need content. You still need an actual offer. You still need strong copywriting. And you still need strategy and consistency. AI helps, but it doesn't replace the work. Asterisk AI is average unless you guide it. To make it powerful, you need to train it. With the right prompts. With real workflows. With your business knowledge. It's great at research. It's great at drafting. But it still needs your direction. Asterisk here's what I do. I love writing content. Books, newsletters, and original ideas. But I hate the marketing grind. I don't enjoy writing headlines or doing market research. So I outsource it. And now, we all can. Using AI. Asterisk let me show you how real money is made. You need 3 things. A product, a landing page, and traffic. That's it. To make $1 million a year, you need about $83,000 a month, or just over $2,700 a day. That could be 18 products sold at $150 each, or one 5K client every other day. There are many paths, but they all need marketing. Asterisk so how much traffic do you really need? If your landing page converts at 2.5%, you'll need 720 people visiting daily to sell 18 products a day. Where does traffic come from? Social media, ads, SEO, influencers. But the best option for beginners? Social media. It's free. And it scales. Asterisk social media is not luck. It's a business skill. If you're consistent, you can get 10 to 50,000 views per video. Even 1 million impressions a month. From that, you only need 720 people to click per day to hit your goals. Asterisk social media is not luck. It's a business skill. If you're consistent, you can get 10 to 50,000 views per video. Even 1 million impressions a month. From that, you only need 720 people to click per day to hit your goals. Asterisk here's the system I recommend. Use AI to build your personal brand strategy. Define your customer avatar. Create a clear offer. Write your landing page. Generate daily content ideas. And plan your actions every day. This stack creates momentum. Asterisk the tools I use are simple. Vortex for smart AI workflows. StanStore for hosting offers and products. These tools help automate the boring stuff, so you can focus on what matters. Asterisk here's your action plan. Step 1. Build your personal brand. Step 2. Define your audience. Step 3. Craft a great offer. Step 4. Write your landing page. Step 5. Post content daily. Step 6. Drive traffic. Step 7. Track your results. Repeat the process. Refine and grow. Asterisk AI is not the solution. You are. AI is the tool, but you're still the driver. Success comes from clarity, consistency, and execution. No more waiting. Start.